Graphs, sometimes known as grids, usually have points or markers on them. The location of this point is given by an ordered pair. For instance, ordered pairs are used to locate points on a street map. For street maps, however, it is common to use a letter and a number, say B17 or D5. An ordered pair on a graph is a pair of numbers in a certain order, written in brackets and separated by a comma. For example, 6, 4 is an ordered pair. When an ordered pair is used to locate a point on a grid, the two numbers are called the coordinates of the point. The point at the center of the graph is called the origin. The coordinates of this point are 0, 0. This is the point at which the horizontal x-axis intersects the vertical y-axis. Let's look at point A. To find the x-coordinate, we start at the origin and move 4 units horizontally to the right. To find the y-coordinate, we move vertically up 2 units. The coordinates of A are therefore 4, 2. Note that the order of the numbers is very important. For instance, 4, 2 is a very different point on a graph to the ordered pair 2, 4. Now let's look at point B. To find the x-coordinate, we move from the origin 2 units to the left, which means it's a negative x value, i.e. negative 2. To find the y-coordinate, we move above the origin 4 units, which means it's a positive y value, i.e. 4 or positive 4. Hence, the coordinates of B are negative 2, 4. Now let's look at point C. To find the x-coordinate, we move from the origin 6 units to the left, which means it's a negative x value, i.e. negative 6. To find the y-coordinate, we move below the origin 4 units, which means it's a negative y value, i.e. negative 4. Hence, the coordinates of C are negative 6, negative 4. Finally, let's look at point D. To find the x-coordinate, we move from the origin 3 units to the right, which means this is a positive x value, i.e. 3. Notice that this point is midway between 2 and 4 on the x-axis. To find the y-coordinate, we move below the origin 3 units, which means it's a negative y value, i.e. negative 3. Again, we have taken the point midway between 2 and 4. Hence, the coordinates of D are 3, negative 3. That finishes the lessons on graphs. Now open the graphs worksheet and work through the exercises. Thank you.